To set WhatsApp to use less data for calls to reduce your data usage in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap storage and data. And then tap the gray on option next to use less data for calls to enable this option. When the switch runs green, it means that this option is on and your phone will set WhatsApp to use less data for calls to help you reduce your data usage. However, reducing the amount of data for calls will also reduce the audio and video quality of the calls you make. Thus, you can choose to enable this option if you choose low data usage over the calls quality. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.